Hey folks, thanks for tuning in. Just want to give you a quick update. As you can see, we got the shed delivered yesterday from Mountain Barn Builders. This is going to be their stable. It's a little 8x10 building with a double door on the front and a window on the back. We're going to put down the cushioning on the bottom of it for their hooves and for them to be able to rest and lay on, and also of course that would be covered with hay or straw so that they can be comfortable. We have to finish the inside with wood. We're going to do some insulation. We're going to finish the kickboards or the wood halfway up, about 4 foot up on the inside. We got some of the fencing done in the past 2 days, and I'll show you that real quick. But that's where we are, and I believe we're on day 4. So we're countdown to getting the donkeys. We'll be getting them soon, and we'll show you that video as well, and we'll kind of show you what we're up to today. I'll share with you the delivery of the shed by Mountain Barn Builders. It was amazing with the equipment that they've got to be able to do this and how easy it was. So again, thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you a little later. So here's what we've gotten done so far. You can see that we have the fence all completed on the right hand side. We have to do the front hopefully in the next day or so. It's kind of a hobbit house fencing. We tied it to the trees because there's so many trees here. To take those trees out and be able to put in fence posts have been quite difficult. So we had to do some hobbit house type fencing. It's very sturdy. Did a lot of research. It's okay to put screws into trees. Not putting that many in, it's not going to harm the trees. So we did so here on this big old pine that's here. As you can see, we've got kind of a hobbit house crook going on over here. And that's as far as we got. So today what we're planning on doing is working some more on the fence. We're going to put in the gate back here. There's going to be a little 4-foot gate on the back side here that will lead out to another fenced in area later on that we're not going to do immediately. The fence will go along over this way and we'll tie to these trees over here and then come back over here to this tree here and over to here. We're going to put another 6-foot gate in here so that we can very easily get my tractor in if I needed to for any reason into the area. And again, the 4-foot gate on the back that will lead them out to their next pasture. We're planning on having 1 or 2 locations to be able to let them out daily, but we wanted to get this paddock area done first so that we can get them here and get them acclimated and then work on the others as we go along. So that's what it looks like as of today. We'll show you a little bit more as we get closer here at the Clear Creek cabin. So this is their new stable. We got down the rubber flooring mats today, and we just put down all of the pine shavings, and we hung up their hay manger, their salt licks, their water bucket, and we're going to load the hay into the manger as soon as we get done with this little video. But this is basically what it looks like. Patty did a great job doing all the inside walls. She did every bit of it all by herself. She helped me with the rubber mats on the floor. I went ahead and built the ramp today, and we put rubber mats on the ramp as well. So that's all set, ready to go. We'll bring you around the right side of the stable. We've got all our wood mess we've got to pick up. For here, there's the chicken coop. I have a little pathway that they can walk around here in the woods. They'll be able to look out their little window. The rear gate that will ultimately get them to their next pasture area. We're still talking about what we're going to do here. I know we're going to make this area pretty large for them to be able to get around in. We may very well cut a opening through over to the open area that we have over behind the woods here. And here's the other section over here with the gate where they come in. Right back to where we started from. What we're going to love about this is that we'll be able to see them from our porch and keep an eye on them, and they'll be able to see us, so they won't be lonely. And of course, they'll have the little chicken buddies over here. And that's it.